This is Dr. Vikas Gaud, your smile dentist. Today, we're going to talk about the cost of dental implants for you and how we're going to treat these dental implants. Do stay tuned in till the end of this video because we're going to talk some very important information about the various dental implants that are available to us and how they can be used for us. Well, dental implants, as you all know, is an artificial device made out of titanium metal that is placed inside the bone, and once this is placed, this integrates and then we place the tooth. So normally patients who come to us, they come to us for teeth, not for dental implants. Dental implant is a device that we use in between to help us aid in putting this tooth on top. Well, today we have various options in dental implants. We have various technologies, various types of dental implants that are available to us. Most commonly, the material of choice that is being used in dental implants is titanium. That is 95 to 98% of dental implants that are made out of titanium. There is just 3 to 4% that are made out of bioceramics or any other silicon metals. Well, dental implants compared to a bridge, today, if there is a tooth missing, there are two options of replacing the missing tooth. One is by shaping the adjacent two teeth and making a bridge or a fixed partial denture, and the other one is placing an implant inside the bone. Once this implant integrates, putting a tooth. So here, when we do a bridge, we are to shape or cut down adjacent to healthy teeth, while in an implant you don't do that and place your implant inside and place the tooth on top. Compared to a bridge, the success rate of a bridge over a 10-year period has shown to be 65 to 80%, while that of an implant has been 92 to 100%. So a success rate of an implant to a bridge has been varied and very huge, and the advantages of an implant is much more compared to that of a bridge, because an implant doesn't get any cavities, while a bridge, the tooth can get cavities, and the adjacent two teeth over a period of time can get cavities, can get decayed, they can get compromised, and you can eventually lose that tooth. So keeping that in mind, today we have various ranges and implants. An implant based on what type of implant being used can range anywhere from 15,000 to 40,000, and then based on what crown is going to be used on top, again can vary from anywhere from 7,000 to 25,000. And today is an age of CAD/CAM technology, advances in technology. So in advances in technology, we have custom made implants, custom made crowns, custom made abutments on top of these implants. So all these can add up to the cost of these implants. Today we have the newer technology where we place the implant at the time of extraction. That means our planning goes even before we go ahead for extraction. So once the extraction is done and this implant, which is cylindrical in shape, is placed inside this screw, sometimes there is some gap which needs to be grafted with synthetic graft material. So based on how much of the graft is being used, there can be an addition of costs that can add up to this. Well, because there are so many advances, a guided surgery where we are planning it in a system and a computer guided milled guide is performed outside, there can be an extra cost for these guides. So all these add up to the cost of dental implants. In India, we have some dental implants that are being manufactured by Indian manufacturers currently, so probably the cost may come down. But since these implants have most commonly and most of them have been imported, not made in India, the cost of these dental implants could be high, and as I've told you, could have various ranges. They also come with patencies on the surface, on the design of these implants. So those that have been there in the market, those that have been giving lifetime warranty from the company side, come at a slightly higher cost compared to any of the newer implants that are coming into the market. Well, there are certain precautions that you need to take once these implants are done. One is these implants, once these are done, regular dental checkups is very important. Like your natural teeth, good oral hygiene and taking care of your teeth, brushing Rinsing, cleaning up these implants is another important thing that you need to do at home, maintaining very good oral hygiene. So these are a few precautions, and if you take these precautions, these implants last a lifetime. So obviously the cost of this depends on how long these implants last, and the companies that give them a lifetime guarantee on these implants, that means a free replacement of these implants for a life, definitely come at a cost. So keeping all these factors in mind, the implant cost would depend to you and to the dentist. And these is some very important information that I have shared. If you think this information is going to be very useful to you and your friends and your family members, maybe your elders, you could share this video, like this video, and subscribe to our channel. Dr. Gouds Dental, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with people who this information is going to be useful. Thank you.